In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all comments in PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or cleaning up an old presentation, removing comments can help streamline your document and give it a polished, final look. Sometimes comments serve their purpose during editing but don't need to appear in the final version you share with your audience. So let's walk through the process of removing all those comments in just a few simple steps. First off, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do so from the official Microsoft website or through your company's software portal. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to prune of comments. This could be a file stored on your computer or one up in the cloud via something like OneDrive. Go ahead and open that presentation. Once the presentation is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top part of your screen where the menu tabs are. Look for the one labeled Review. This is the section of PowerPoint that contains various tools related to reviewing and editing your presentation, including comments. Click on the Review tab to open its menu of options. Under the Review tab, you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal. What we're interested in here is the Comments section. Over there, you'll see a button labeled Delete. This drop-down menu is your key to managing comments in your presentation. Click on it to reveal your options. Don't worry if you think this is irreversible. You can always undo your action if you accidentally delete too much using the Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut. Now you're going to choose the option Delete all comments in this presentation. Selecting this will immediately remove all comments across all slides, leaving you with a comment-free presentation. This can be a relief when you've been juggling multiple rounds of feedback and just want a clean slate. It's crucial to ensure that before you use this option, you've saved any feedback you might need later, either externally or by creating a copy of the presentation. And that wraps it up. You've just learned how to delete all comments in a PowerPoint presentation with simplicity and ease. Remember, keeping a backup of your presentation before making wide-reaching changes is always a great practice. This way you can keep track of important feedback while still delivering a polished end result. Share these steps with anyone who might also find it helpful, and feel free to revisit them whenever you find yourself needing a fresh, clean presentation slate. Enjoy your comment-free presentations, and thanks for tuning in.